Hello, friends. Welcome back to our English podcast. I'm Tom. And I'm David. We're happy you're here. Today, we have a very helpful topic, work and jobs. Yes, we will talk about daily English you can use at your job, in your office, or when you talk about work with someone. This lesson is easy, friendly, and beginner level, so relax. Enjoy the conversation. If you want more real English like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this podcast with a friend who wants to learn English. All right, let's start. Are you ready? Let's go. Main chat, talking about your job. Let's start with a simple sentence. I work as a very useful sentence. Examples. I work as a teacher. I work as a driver. I work as a cook. Let's repeat together. Ready? I work as a. Good. Here's another way to say it. I am a. Simple and natural. I am a manager. I am a student. I am a shop worker. Nice job. See? Easy English. Now, a quick question for you. What do you do? This means, what is your job? And you can answer, I am a, or I work as a. Let's practice like a real conversation. Okay, Tom, what do you do? I am a teacher. And you? I work as a writer. Nice. Friends listening, now you try. Say your job. Go on, say it out loud. Great. Main chat 2, talking about where you work. Next phrase. I work at. Use this for companies, shops, offices. Examples. I work at a bank. I work at a hospital. I work at a small shop. Let's repeat. I work at. Good. Another useful line. I work in. Use this for departments or fields. Examples. I work in sales. I work in marketing. I work in customer service. Great job repeating. Keep going. Let's try a mini role play. David, where do you work? I work at a studio. How about you? I work in education. Perfect. Listeners, your turn. Where do you work? Say it slowly. Nice. Main chat, part 3, daily work vocabulary. Let's learn easy work words you can use every day. First word, boss, meaning the person who leads your team. Example, my boss is very kind. Next word, team. Example, I work with a small team. Next, break. Example, I take a short break at 1 p.m. Next, task. My first task every day is checking emails. And one more word, salary. Example, I get my salary at the end of the month. Let's repeat them together. Boss, team, break, task, salary. Good job. Main chat, part 4, talking about your workday. Here are simple phrases for daily work routines. Phrase 1, I start work. Example, I start work at 9. Phrase 2, I finish work at Gore. Example, I finish work at 6. Phrase 3, I have a meeting. Example, I have a meeting in the morning. Phrase 4, I am busy today. Very common and natural. Phrase 5, I need help. Useful when you don't understand something. Let's do a small practice conversation. Mini dialogue, daily work. David, what time do you start work? I start work at 9. And you? I start work at 10. Do you have a meeting today? Yes, I have a meeting at 3 p.m. Are you busy today? A little. I have many tasks. Nice practice. Listeners, repeat the same answers after us. Good work. Main chat, part 5, talking about work feelings. Let's talk about how you feel at work. Phrases. I like my job. My job is easy. My job is difficult. I feel tired. I feel happy today. Examples. I like my job because I help people. My job is easy on some days. My job is difficult when I am busy. David, let's repeat. I like my job. My job is easy. My job is difficult. Good. Main part 6, interactive practice. Listen, repeat. We'll say a sentence. You listen, then repeat. Ready? David, I work at a school. Good. Repeat. I start work at 9. I have a break at 1. My boss is friendly. I like my team. Great job. You're learning fast. Main chat part 7, common job questions in easy English. Here are questions people ask about work. 1, where do you work? 2, what do you do? 3, what time do you start? 4, do you like your job? 5, are you busy today? Let's answer them with simple English. 1, I work at a shop. 2, I am a baker. 3, I start work at 7. 4, yes, I like my job. Yes, I am busy today. David, now you try. Say your answers slowly. You're doing great. Part 8, work conversations you can use today. Let's create a small, real conversation for beginners. Good idea. Let's do it. Conversation example. Hi, David, how is work today? Work is good. I am a little busy. What's your first task? My first task is sending emails. And you? My first task is a meeting with my team. Do you like your job? Yes. I like it. I enjoy teaching. Nice. I enjoy writing. Listeners, now we will repeat the same conversation slowly. Then you can try it with a friend. This helps you speak naturally. Repeat conversation slowly. Great work today. You learned many useful phrases for jobs and work life. Let's quickly review the important ones. I am a. I work as a. I work at. I start work at. I have a meeting. I like my job. Practice these every day. You will get better, I promise. Before we go, here's a fun question for you. What time do you start work? Tell us in the comments. We love reading your answers. Thank you for listening, friend. Part 9, talking about coworkers and Team Tom. Let's talk about the people you work with. This is very important in daily English. Here are some easy words. Coworker, a person who works with you. Team, a group of people working together. Manager, a person who leads the team. Let's use them in simple sentences. My coworker is very friendly. I work with a small team. My manager helps me with my tasks. Let's repeat them slowly. Coworker, team, manager. Very good. Now a short dialogue. David, who is in your team? I have 4 people in my team. They are very kind. Nice. I also work with a small team. Listeners, now you try. How many people are in your team? Say it out loud. Part 10. Asking for help at work. Sometimes we need help at work. Here are simple phrases. Phrase 1. Can you help me? Phrase 2. I don't understand this. Phrase 3. Can you explain it again? Let's use them in real examples. Can you help me with this file? I don't understand this email. Can you explain it again? Slowly, please. These sentences are perfect for beginners. Let's repeat them together. Great job. Mini role play. David, I don't understand this task. No problem, Tom. I can help. What do you need? Can you explain it again? Sure. I'm happy to help. See? Very simple. Very natural. Part 11. Talking about tools and things you use at work. Every job has tools. Let's learn some easy words. Computer. We use a computer for work. Notebook, a small book to write notes. Phone, for calls and messages. ID card, your work identity card. Examples. I use a computer every day. I write my tasks in a notebook. I need my ID card to enter the office. Let's repeat. Computer, notebook, phone, ID card. Nice. Tom, what tool do you use most at work? I use my computer the most. And you? I use my notebook a lot. I like writing ideas. Part 12, talking about breaks and lunch. Break time is important at work. Useful phrases. I have a break. I take lunch. My break is at 1 p.m. Examples. I have a break after 2 hours. I take lunch with my team. My lunch is usually rice and vegetables. Let's practice. David, what time is your break? My break is at 1 p.m. And yours? My break is at 12. Listeners, say your break time. Good. Now part 13, talking about your work location. Let's talk about where you work. Useful lines. I work from home. I work in an office. I work outside. Examples. I work from home on Monday. I work in an office with 20 people. I work outside, so I walk a lot. Let's repeat. Work from home. Work in an office. Work outside. Now a quick practice question. Where do you work? Say the answer out loud. Nice. Part 14, describing a busy day. David, let's learn how to talk about a busy day. Useful phrases. I have many tasks. I have a long day. I am very busy today. I have a deadline. Deadline equals final time to finish work. Examples. I have many tasks today. I am very busy this week. I have a deadline on Friday. Let's repeat. Great. Part 15, easy work conversation practice. Let's do a simple conversation. Hi, David. How is your day? My day is busy. I have 3 tasks. Do you have a deadline? Yes, I have a deadline today. Good luck. Thank you. Listeners, repeat the same conversation slowly. You're doing great. Part 16, work goals and future plans. Let's learn how to talk about your work goals. Useful sentences. I want to learn new skills. I want to get a better job. I want to grow in my career. Examples. I want to learn computer skills. I want a better job in the future. I want to grow in my company. David, now you say your goal. Go on. Nice. Part 17, polite English at work. Let's learn polite English. Useful phrases. Please. Thank you. Excuse me. Sorry for the delay. Examples. Please send me the file. Thank you for your help. Excuse me. Can I ask a question? Repeat after us. Perfect. Part 18, End of Day English. These are sentences we use at the end of work. I am going home. I finished my work. See you tomorrow. Examples. I finished my work for today. See you tomorrow, team. David. Listeners, say your end of day sentence. Nice. Wrap up episode 2. Great job today. You learned many new phrases about teams, tools, breaks, goals, and polite English. Before we finish, here's our question for you. Do you work in an office, at home, or outside? Tell us in the comments. We love reading your answers. Bye.